Detach and lift the Velcro strap on the left-hand side of the bag to reveal the underside of the pocket. Using a pair of scissors or cutters, cut along in a straight line to make a small hole in the bottom right-hand side of the rear pocket. Next, take the bag adapter and slide it into the bag frame plastic moulding. Press the adapter firmly into the bag frame moulding until you hear a click, indicating that it is locked into position. Pass the bag adapter connector through the previously cut hole of the bag pocket. Next, grab the battery adapter ready for connection. Pull the bag pocket back to reveal the bag adapter connector and push the two connector halves together, ensuring the arrows are aligned to each other. Slide the adapter onto the battery until you hear a click. Then lock into position. To remove, simply unlock the adapter and push down to enable it to easily slide off the battery. Locate the bag adapter into the slot on the front of the pod and push down until it clicks into place. To remove, hold the handle of the bag and rotate the pod lever clockwise whilst pulling the bag handle upwards. Your bag adapter kit is now ready to use with your ARC bike.